are still in Dublin. We're just walking from the Trinity College going to the Stephen Park. So this is our next destination for today's gala, for today's Lakwacha. So from Trinity College, Dublin, we're walking going to the Stephen Park. Mag-stay lang kami doon para mag-play ang mga kids, maybe for 15 minutes. So, nandito pa rin tayo sa Dublin City. May tram sila. Very nice weather today. It's cold, but it's sunny. Sunny day for everyone. We are still here at the street of Ireland.
Oh. Okay.
Ayan na, Stephen Park.
Wait.
Nga. Tangkad nila. Dami mga... Kalahati tayo, ate. Kalahati lang nila tayo, mga higante. Yung mga higante dito napunta. Yung mga maliliit na sa Pilipinas.
4, 6.
Pwede na tayo tumabi dito, ate. Bye, tram! And this is the Stephen Park.
The second one, she like goes to like the
Marian. Wow! Andito na tayo sa Stephen Park. Dito tayo nag-access dun sa maliit nilang gate. And then we will cross Stephen Park going to Marian Park.
We go this way.
Who's one? Ay, kawawa! Ay, kawawa! Ay, kawawa! Ay, kawawa! Ay, 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 ay. Naalala ko si JJ. Ganyan si JJ Uchiro siguro. Ay, ang dami swan. Dito tayo sa may swan, mami. Swan ba yan? Don't feed the swan daw. Ayun o. Don't feed them.
Give them your Snickers. They can have some chocolate. They don't die. Definitely. They're not swans. They're seagulls.
Tapos balik tayo sa labas.
But they're there.
Ang dami o. Ay, ang galing.
They're seagulls, guys. They're not swans.
Ay, di ba? Seagulls ba sila?
No, yeah, they're seagulls. Come here. That's a dog. Look, it's a dog.
Ano?
Dog.
Dog! Oh my God, I thought it's a dog. A dog. Ay, seagull pala, no? Hindi pala swan.
Malaki ang swan, tita.
Mas malaki. Seagull sila.
Madami
Seagull.
pang alam ni yung bata.
Mag-feed.
Sabi niya, do not feed the duck. Kasi kung sa silang
Lumalapit. Oo. Ayan o, galing mo. Sobra. Tingnan ko nga, ano ba yung ano natin? Oh!
oh my god. But I want to touch it too.
Tara na. Bye, seagulls!
You know what's better than ducks and seagulls? They got pigeons. So much. There's actually 6 classes were picking them up with snooze. And I was helping them by killing them. Start training.
Ayan o, ang laki pala na seagull.
Go, what's this?
Yeah?
Now you wanna go?
Para siyang manok. Para siyang chicken.
Jail! Do you want your eye to get pecked out?
Squirrel.
Can I take a picture?
Hi, squirrel.
My phone.
Oh, he's getting closer. Guys, don't. Squirrel eating his tail? Squirrel, use tail whip. Use tackle.
Where is
Wala
it?
na, walis na siya.
Quick attack! Quick attack!
Hello.
Squirrel, use quick attack.
Hanap siya ng food.
Wala tayong nuts eh.
You
I
can
don't
give him
have
chocolate.
nuts.
Oh, I have cheese.
No. No.
You're shooting. Yo, bro, you want Cheetos?
Bye. Oh, bye na.
Bro, you want Cheetos? I got them. They're fine. If I see another squirrel,
Ah.
I'm gonna give it to you.
No, ang manghang pa naman ng Cheetos mo. Si Ate Jack na hindi niya naanuhan yung manghang
I
eh.
got that spice toast.
Ang daming tao kasi ang ganda ng weather. Ito na ang center ng Stephen Park dito sa Dublin. Nakarating na kami sa center. Ay, na, yun nga yung pinuntahan natin, oh. Yung mga seagull. Ayun, oh. Umikot tayo.
The red house. The playground's there.
Saan? Ang playground. Ah, yun na yun. Yun na yung playground?
Hindi, sa likodan.
Saan likodan? So, ano lang makikita mo dito? Wala lang, yan lang. Papainit ka lang, ibibilad ka lang. Ay, check pa natin yung playground. Tingnan natin, sige. Kung malapit lang.
No, wait.
Playground. And then after 10 minutes, lakad tayo ulit pa uwi.
25.
5? Okay. Oh, kakatawa.
Kulang sumiga, birds na. Lipas na nila yung ano.
No oras. Yan yung mga taga rito lang din talaga. Ginagawa nilang ano, rest area ito. Lalo na pag ano, pag maganda ang weather.
Mira, may ikot-ikot lang tayo. Dito ba talaga to?
Ayan na, dahil mo ng bata
Oh,
eh.
yeah, okay.
So this is the playground na Jail is looking for. Ah, pang maliit. Pang bata.
Playground, ibang direction ng
Depressing.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Pambata kasi.
Okay.
Okay na.
Exit na dun.
Magpapasok pa rin kayo sa loob?
Pagbigyan natin sila.
Okay, so magpe-play muna ang mga kiddos. They're going to play. We're done. We're just looking for the gate going out. And then we're going home. Nice to have a playtime with kids here in St. Stephen Green in Dublin. Maganda siya, malaki, marami for family. Family park. And now we're going to look for our car and go home. Bye. See you next time.
But wait! There's more!
kayo dyan dito. Dito sa may upuan, oh.
So we will try to enter the National Gallery of Ireland. But I don't know if we will be allowed to dahil until 5:30 lang sila. So I really don't know. Can we still? Can we still go inside? Ay, tingnan mo. Pwede pa ba?
Sorry?
Push. Just push it. Okay.
It's just him.
Thank you. Tulungan mo access si tita. Dahan. Hindi. Dala mo ba? Pwede ba yan? Art gallery. Kawawa. This is free admission. So, hindi ito. This is our unplanned trip. A stop by to National Art Gallery of Ireland. Tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin dito. Pwede ka mag-draw. Oh, you want to sit down there, Jane, and draw? Ayan, maupo lang siya. Hindi. Tingnan natin kung anong mga art meron sila. Maybe this will be a quick visit, just a glance. Kung anong merong klase ng art. Millennium Wing. Millennium Wing? Wala na. Meron din entrance dito sa kabila. Millennium Wing Studio. And this is May cafe sa baba. May cafe, rooms, temporary. Ano yan? Shop, cafe. Oo nga. Rooms 6 to 10 for temporary exhibition. Parang ano lang siya. Parang room for... Wala talagang masyado pang... Ay, ito. European art. It's a quick visit here in the Ireland National Art Gallery. Labas na kami, may cafe dito. May cafe and then hinahanap namin ang exit. Shop. May shop din sila before ka umalis. Tapos ngayon, iikot na naman iikot na naman tayo sa entrance. Mami, doon tayo magpa-picture sa kabila. So, lalakad na naman tayo papunta sa kabilang side. At least alam mo na kung ano itsura ng National Gallery of Ireland. Okay, bye. Just a quick ikot na ulit. Okay, we finish our quick trip kasama ng seagull. Bye.